Welcome back to another video of 10 summer 2024 outfit ideas. For first outfit you can style white shirt with olive green pants and tan loafers. Next you can try pastel blue t-shirt with white jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try red printed shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try bronze colored polo t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try tan and white striped shirt with white pants and cream shoes. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with grey pants and black shoes. Next you can try blue denim shirt with dark grey pants and silver colored sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with tan pants and black boots. Next you can try pastel green t-shirt with white track pant and white and grey sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with tan cargo pants and white sliders.